Join Dr. Barry Edison and the Dry Eye Guys for the Trifecta training. Discover how IPL, MiBo Thermoflo, and low-level light therapy come together to create an exceptional med spa experience for dry eye, inflammation, skin, and beauty.
My name is Dr. Barry Edison. I am a board-certified ophthalmologist with a specialty in oculoplastics and dry eyes. For the last 5 years, I've wanted to start a dry eye center. My decision to use the Dry Eye Guys was a very easy one for me.
Hey doc, we're ready to start. What you want to do is turn the IPL on, ready to go. Okay, now it's stable. Press operate, and then look, it tells you what to do. Press the finger switch, release the finger switch. When you were asking yesterday why it's different, this is self-calibrating. Perfect. All right, good. It's calibrated. It checks the energy so it's stable. We have no annual cost on this. So we clean it very nice. We're removing the impurities, the oil, the dust, the environment that you came from outside. Everybody just feel it. So this is gonna feel very cold. That's so the heat is not felt on the face. When you do inflammation, you're gonna use a 650 filter. Then the second part, because she has a little bit of vascular, put a 520 filter on there. So she's around here, right, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna use these parameters here on the first passes. Second pass, because she has a little telangiectasia, we're gonna use these parameters here. Okay. Right here, doc, look. Boom, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Push, and you're doing great. Just push on this right here, okay? Feel that?
Now we're going to go to the MiBo flow, and this is a very gentle procedure where the patients feel instantly better. There's a little gel on top, and initially the patients are going to feel some coolness to it, but then the instrument's going to heat up. So we're going to start the treatment, and I'm going to come close to the eyelash line in a circular fashion. We're also going to treat in the temple area for eye fatigue and heaviness of the eyes. And our low-level light treatment.
I feel light, so you have colors here: red, yellow, blue, near infrared. Red is 100% of your patients. You're going to feel the intensity of the light. We're going to start here at once. Already on red. Press power. You're going to feel the brightness. Do you feel that brightness? So we're going to get it up to 70%, which is very healthy. What we're doing now is we're activating an ATP process, which is a process that helps your skin heal, your body heal. But we're also activating the mitochondria that helps with skin rejuvenation, inflammatory issues, so many health and wellness benefits to this. So what we do in this med spa is the trifecta. We do the IPL for inflammation of the vascular system, MiBo flow, meibomian duct therapy, and then we use low-level light therapy.
So we just completed our training session. They flew out from California. We had a great day. We saw 5 patients today. They all signed up for the program. So I can't be more thrilled with how this day went and with Dry Eye Guys. Thank you.